Death as a teacher, the Stoic view. Death is not a subject we like to face. We push it aside, as if ignoring it will make it disappear. But the Stoics practice memento mori, the remembrance of death, not to live in fear, but to live more fully. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." When we remember that time is not guaranteed, trivial worries shrink, grudges lose their grip, and every moment becomes precious. Death is the great equalizer. It humbles kings and beggars alike. But it is also the great teacher. It reminds us to live fully while we can. So don't waste this day on anger, on vanity, on meaningless noise. Live as if it were borrowed, because it is. This is Stoic Gateway. Subscribe, and together we will learn to face death not with fear, but with gratitude for life. Check out our other videos on the link below. Welcome to Stoic Gateway.